Think all SATA cables are identical? Please think again. There are 3 generations of SATA cables. SATA 1 at 1.5 GB per second, SATA 2 at 3 GB per second, and SATA 3 at 6 GB per second. Here is the catch. They all use the same connector, but the cable quality different. Older or cheap SATA cable lack proper shielding and cannot handle SATA 3 speeds. You will get both links, data corruption or random disconnects. I have seen SSDs performing like hard drivers because someone used an old cable from maybe 20 years old. For cybersecurity lab or network storage, this matters even more. Data integrity is critical. Always use SATA 3 rated cable. They are backyard compatible but built for speed and reliability. Check your cables. That 50-cent savings could cost you hours of troubleshooting. Trust me.